We are getting a first look at the flood-damaged homes in Good Samaritan Village as residents make their way back into the neighborhood to collect any items that they can salvage.
West 2's Megan Mulatto was there as one couple started cleaning things up.
This is one of the apartment units at Good Samaritan Village that saw significant damage from the flooding left behind by Hurricane Ian. If you take a look behind me, you can see just how high the water got. And if you take a look over here, you can see all of the items it damaged.
I didn't expect the water to raise that much.
Angel Irizarry and his wife waited days for floodwaters to recede before returning back to their home, only to find the boxes they stacked their most prized possessions in before evacuating had fallen over.
When I opened the door and I started to see everything, it was like devastated. So much water for so many days. The card box, I guess shriveled or got destroyed. And everything that was on top that was heavy, it went sideways. And it went everywhere. It was all water.
They started packing up anything they could save, but say the significant majority of their belongings are gone. Irizarry tells us he's notified the complex they won't be coming back and have started searching for a new place to call home. In the meantime, disaster recovery and restoration crews are on site as residents wait for FEMA to assess the damage and provide assistance.
We Puerto Rican, we don't give up that easy. We fail, we just get up, we clean up our knees, we raise our head, and we keep moving forward.
In Kissimmee, Megan Mulatto, WESH 2 News.